Hello, hello, hello. This is Els coming from Beamish Crafty Corner, and today I am working on one of these mixed media index card collabs with Tina's Crafty Life, and we are on week 7. And so here's what I did. I took one of my little thin cards here, and I painted it black with some satin acrylic paint. Has a nice little sheen on it. But, yeah, then I went, I don't know. So I got out my mixed media cards, and I said, I'm going to do whatever the top card tells me to do, and that's what I'm going to do. Just what that top card tells me to do. Nothing more, nothing less. Just that top card. So, hey man, let's get nice and mixed up here. And it says, add gold. Add gold. Gold. Yeah. Because there's just so many things I can do with gold, right? I need new mixed media cards, by the way. These things are so old. Okay. Add gold. Do I even have anything gold nearby? Not really. Okay, let's see. Add gold. Anything up here in the middle? Nope. You know, I try to make this easy. You know, like I can just reach off my desk here and find stuff and use it. Not such an easy task. Let's see. Maybe in here. There's some gold in here. Okay. Okay. We in business. Look, we got some gold. Most of this is brass, though. Metals and stuff from my store. Should really get rid of some of this stuff. Alright. So I got 3 pieces of brass. Now 3 pieces of gold. That'll work, right? I mean, I could always just rub, if I want to, you know, I could just rub some gold on something and turn it gold. Which I might do. So we'll keep a couple of small pieces out. There. That should be enough. Just in case I don't like any of the bigger pieces. Alright. Away you go. Alright, we have to start. We have some gold. No. Nope. Maybe. These? No. Okay, let's get rid of those. Alright, then we have a couple of other pieces. We have these pieces, which we could make gold if we wanted to. You know, to add those. Alright, so we have 4 pieces to work with. What else? We have stencils. Little stencils. I have the same stencil twice. Nope, totally different stencil. Okay. Alright, let's use this one. Stars! Gold. Alright. Let's get some paint. Okay, I have a plate, a stamper, some paint. This is classic gold from Anita's Metallics Craft Paints. Let's just start with that, shall we? Okay, let's put some paint out. Yeah, it might be time to get some more paint. Okay. So we will stencil some stars on. Let's do some up here. And I think I'm going to put a couple over here. And down here. Okay. Alright, I'm going to let this dry. And then we will be back. Alright. Dry. Okay. I remember we found these in a scavenger, so I thought, why not? So I grabbed this. It's gold. Just put it on there. Use my bone folder to kind of press it down. Why not, right? We got these dragonflies. They're gold. Why not? I'm going to apologize if you guys hear the dogs barking. There is a plumber in my garage. I know, it's an odd place to have a plumber, but he is in my garage because my water softening system has decided to choke and die. And there's this swirly thing. We can put a swirly thing on here, right? Hmm. that's kind of it for those. Let's see about this gold. Well, this gold clashes with that gold. All right, let's see. That's a no, and that's a no. So this is going to be a no. Because I'm not going to sit here and play with that stuff right now. Because I don't have any water because the plumber's here. Right? So we have dream, we have some stars, some dragonflies. We need something else. We need something that's way too tacky for words. And I have it. Glitterific gold. And I think I'm just going to put this all over this. Yep. Just everywhere. There's a giant flake of gold right there. Okay. If you don't know what glitterific is, you are missing out, okay? Because if you're like me and you don't like, you know, stripper herpes, glitter, all right, then you have got to try this stuff. It's glitter in a gooey base that kind of keeps it all in. And it's glitter and leaves and just all kinds of glitter stuff. If you know me, you've watched any of my videos, you know to me, glitter is like, you know, one of the 7 deadly sins. So this at least keeps it all adhered in one place. And it's the only way I get to play with glitter. Well, it's the only way I allow myself to play with glitter. Okay, it's glittered. Everywhere. Just like a stripper's backside. Alright, I'm going to let that dry for just a couple of minutes, and then I think we're going to seal this. So I'll be right back. Alright, so this is dry. It's not coming up. And I'm going to seal it. Easiest way to do that, Mod Podge. This is the super gloss. Let's see if I have an open one. I do. Put this one away. See if we can get this one open. Aha. And, you know, one of those disposable yuck brushes. And I'm going to put a fairly generous coat on here. because this is the rule. If it has glitter, it must be sealed. It's my personal rule. Because I hate glitter. All right. It's been Mod Podged. And since I got some around the edges, I'm going to set it up here to dry. I'm going to clean up this mess, and I will be right back. Okay, so that's all dried, and I put a nice coat of the Super Gloss Mod Podge on there, and then I added this little gold filigree border to it, and I'm pretty happy with it. That's week 7 of the index card mixed media collab down, and there is a whole list of people down below that are participating in this, and you can click on their links and go check out their channels and check out their weekly submission for the collaboration. Until I see you guys again, if you haven't done so already, do me a favor and hit the red button, like me, ring the bell, and share me with all your friends. Bye-bye.